One, I want to make the record straight that it wasn't me who said that I don't see the chair. I work every day and I pass the commissioner's offices, all of them, and I say hello to all of them, including the chair. No, we don't sign. No, we don't sign. And actually, they bear me witness that I say hello to all of them.
Maybe
secondly,
you are still.
And secondly, this committee has powers to instruct the commission because the commission is bigger than all of us. So, for the betterment of the Ugandans, not everywhere that people work from are friends. We are from different backgrounds and we come from different areas. So, one may not like the other for one or the other reason, but the organization has to move. So, I kindly request, if it's in the interest of my fellow commissioners and the chair, that this committee instructs the commission to sit, even if it means next week, in the commission meeting to address issues pertaining the commission.
Well, let me first guide. Whereas I received the request, at this level we are still in investigation. We can only advise that within your work plan and powers and mandate, transact as a commission. I also want to request and advise that at least in our next interface, you will update us on progress of any possibility that as commissioners you are undertaking efforts to reconcile where possible. But as well, for us, ours is to interrogate observations within the audit report. We shall make appropriate recommendation touching all aspects as we shall establish given these continuous fact-finding engagements. I want to adjourn this meeting to Monday.